Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm in my dressing room. I know you don't get that often, but I wanted to try these, and these could go one of two ways. So they're magnetic lashes with eyeliner. I love magnetic lashes, and they come like this. This is not sponsored in any way, but I wanted to try them and look at, there's different, it kind of like gets bigger, right? So I'm gonna go with these guys because I don't do these big, huge ones. I do as natural as possible. So they come off pretty easily, I think. I took one off just to see, yeah. They come off, and then they have magnetics there, so you can just stick them right back on. They've got this thing, which I've never used before, so we'll try that. Maybe, hold on, if I can get it out. I'm telling you, this is brand new, so you know I didn't try it already. Okay, here we go, and then it's got that little thing. So we will see. Now, I did take one of these out to see how it rolled on, so I tried it on my, just right here, and then I stuck the, that one's not open. There, it comes with two, and they are sealed. So that's not the one that I opened earlier. This one is. So, let's go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh, I am nervous. So, I don't know how to put on liner. Let's see if that helps with the light. Okay, so it comes out just like that. And then I'm just gonna go right, oh, that's a little close. It goes on rather nicely. And I guess it goes on in place of eyeliner. And I do my mouth like you're supposed to. And let's try this. So I'm going to get off one of these. That little one that I told you. And again, I don't know how to use these guys. It does say, the instructions say, to put it on while this is still wet. Let's see. So, hold on, is it falling? Look at the difference. It is working. Now, it doesn't feel, it kind of feels a little up here like, I can tell it's there. I may have to cut this down a little bit, but look at that. Not too bad, right? All right, I'll try the other one just to, wow, those are some eyes right there. Woo, you fell. I don't normally do this, so I have like a sticky thing on my mirror. I'm definitely not the makeup guru, but let's try this one. I know you can't see. We'll do it this way. I do love this going on so smooth and nicely. Like that alone, that's just a good liner, right? Whew. Let me get the other one. Now I'm going to put the other one just like I normally do. Oh, see, I didn't put it on right. There we go. So, they're so magnetic. Those are some big eyelashes. I love them, how quick and easy. Let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, so let me just show you. They come right off, right? And the eyeliner, yeah, the eyeliner's still there, but let's see if they go back on. They do. They go back on. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more of these. It was fun. It was nice to try on. All right, beauties. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.